Hey, welcome back to Gavin Chance's Farm. Just out here, gonna go through some of the beehives, if not all of them.
This is the one we were just in. 24th. So.
Well, that's when we had the honey super.
Right.
But we didn't go through.
The honey super yet.
We didn't go through.
No, I just seen how much they were. This frame, and this frame.
There's just a handful up there.
A handful right now. So, this box wasn't overly populated anyway, so. But they are at least coming up there.
The wind's blowing that way, so you may have to take the lid off. Yeah.
Like that.
Put the excluder on top of it.
So they are.
Just seem to be like in
still taking that pond
right
patty,
there.
but they're about on that half for the most part. So, put that patty over there. Kind of try to get in right here if we can. Just take a look.
And that one looks like a honey frame. Cells that's capped. Looks like nectar.
Yep. Come on.
On this side though.
Larvae, eggs.
See a couple boys in there.
Mm-hmm. Cat brood, smaller larvae, almond eggs. So they have all the resources they need. Just on that one frame even, so we're good. Put her back together.
Alright, we're in the last two, which ends up with Michaela's and Taylor's hive. So far we've had to fix just the one, right? Two. We had to fix two, so we had to steal some resources off of someone else's. And definitely gonna have to be getting out here later on this week, if weather permits it, to get some of the splits off of here and get some like queens started.
pollen.
Because for the most part, all the ones that we added deeps onto, except for I think one so far, we switched one of the ones that had a honey super on, and we had to fix that one because I think they ended up swarming. So
Look at all that pollen.
it didn't they didn't have any queen in there, so we had to, like I said, we took a frame that had eggs and different stages of larvae all the way to cat brood and stuck on it to where they can hopefully form a queen.
If not, we'll get one grafted.
Yeah, if not, I'll do some grafting and hopefully get some queen cells going.
Got a bunch of drones.
Yep, there's a bunch of drones on the other side too. Hold on. Oh, no, it was just a boy butt.
A lot of pollen. Yep. Okay.
And then the other one that we had to fix, we just took I can't remember, did we do a frame on that one too, or did we just take
We did a single frame on one of them, and then the other one was the honey box and the third deep. Didn't like me for that one. Hello, ladies.
they're coming out and telling. It definitely is nicer when they're all nice and stuff. But some of that is the beekeeper that causes some of their
Eggs all the way through cat brood on this one.
their aggression.
Same thing on this side.
Alright, so we'll count that one good and move on to Taylor's.
I'll tell you one thing I learned about beekeeping. Since most of these are female bees, you know, if you think about it. When you're a younger male, you think about being swarmed by the ladies and how nice it'd be. Not so much fun, and it don't matter in a bee suit, but if you don't have a bee suit on, being swarmed by these ladies is no fun at all. Definitely not the dreams like you had when you were a kid, that's for sure.
Let me get over here and I'll write on this one. Show you guys a little bit of the writing.
Yeah, because I know
Note-taking side. We pulled that
last year when I got chased all the way back up to the garage by those, and you pulled over 60 stingers out of my pant legs. That wasn't fun at all. Although, looking back at it, I also didn't think that I could move that fast anymore either, but I sure did.
They chased him all the way to the barn.
Yep.
Alright. Tony's in Taylor's hive.
Alrighty.
Hopefully.
I'm going after one that I should be able to see on because it's labeled as a 2020 frame. So. Hey, and there's eggs right there off the get-go. And lots of them.
It makes it a whole lot easier when you don't have to go in and dig. Oh, there she is right there.
Sorry, I'm trying to get a big egg.
Right there. That's number 4 queen for me of finding today.
Alright, let's put that back together. And that's a wrap. It's like a big potato.
Is that 4 or is that 5?
5.
Okay.
Today.
I found 5 queens today out of the 19 hives. So,
but we weren't actually in there looking for queens either. We were just looking for eggs through cat brood. Just happened to find queens. That was a pretty good luck. Very first frame even. That never happens. Tay will be happy.
and this time, I mean, it changes every time we get in there. Where before I would just look at the back of their backs and I'd find that, what do you want to call it? A circle, not a circle, but the bare spot where there's no of their fur, versus all the other bees for the most part is covered with for especially the nurse bees that are usually on the frames where the larvae and the other eggs are, because they are the ones that take care of the babies. But today I look at their butts basically and been finding them. So I don't know if it's because I'm getting better at finding queens or if it's just my luck.
Hey, sometimes it's better to be lucky than good, right? So, as you can tell, a little windy out here. Alright, so we appreciate you guys spending time with us out in the bee yard today, even though it sounds like we're in a wind tunnel, I'm sure. But
we definitely got to work on getting a mic, or
yeah,
remembering
that's
the headphones that we...
Yeah. The next thing up on the list is I'd like to get a dual wireless mics. That way Brittany and I can both have one, and we can put the wind protector on them, and then maybe even upgrade from using our iPhones to actual camera specific for our videos. We want to thank you guys for watching our videos. As of this morning, we did notice, or actually it was last night right before we went to bed, we noticed that we actually hit 300 subscribers, and it's actually stayed there until producing this video at least. So
I want to thank all the subscribers for...
Thank you guys for watching our videos, sharing them with your friends and family. We couldn't do this without you guys, and we hope the content that you're seeing is useful to you. I do throw a couple of, as the girls say, bad dad jokes in there every once in a while, but we like to have fun around here, because I mean right now it's about mid-70s and I'm even in a ventilated suit, I'm sweating. So you gotta do something to break the day up. So we appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.